San Sebastian, co-officially in Basque, Donostia, is a Spanish city and municipality located on the coast of the Bay of Biscay and 20 kilometers from the border with France. The city is the capital of the province of Gipuzkoa, in the autonomous community of the Basque Country. It is the head of the Bayonne San Sebastian Basque City. Its main economic activities are trade and tourism, constituting in the past one of the most famous tourist destinations in Spain. Its landscape, dominated by the Bay of La Concha, as well as its modern architectural development that began in the second half of the 19th century, which shaped a city with a French and bourgeois style, fostered the development of tourism on a European scale.
I've been counting down the days to get out. I've been looking for a way from this town. And you're too far away to help me now. So I'm counting down the days to get out. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now. Full speed ahead, fly from the end. So I'm full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. I've been staring at the sun in my eyes. I've been keeping on the run every night. But you're too far away to see the signs. So I'm staring at the sun till I'm dry. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now. Full speed ahead, fly from the end. So I'm full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. Full speed now. Full speed, got the pedal down. Full speed now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Full speed now. Full speed, got the pedal down. Full speed now. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Back to the sound.
Yeah.
Back to the sound.
Turn me around.